Hey clean freaks, welcome back to my channel today. So today I am going to give you guys a little tidying up. My house is not extremely dirty, but I just need to go around and tidying up, as you can see in the background. Just tidy up a little bit and, wash some dishes, clean up a little bit, finish up some laundry, and also attacking my bedroom because it's a hot mess. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. My name is Shoshana. I do a lot of cleaning motivation here on this channel, organization and decluttering. I upload every Saturdays and every Mondays at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. I also have my main channel, which is All Things Shushana. It is my lifestyle and DIY channel. As you can see, the name of the title, I do a lot of DIYs and lifestyle videos on that channel, and I upload 3 days a week on that channel. And my newest channel, the Decorating Mama, I also upload 3 days a week, and I will have all that information down in the description box. I would love for you guys to go ahead and subscribe to each of them and make sure you turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss an episode. Thank you guys so much for all of your support all across the board. I really do appreciate your time, and I really do appreciate your support. I love you all so very much. And yeah, let's get motivated and let's get cleaning.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real.
So I know you guys must be wondering what in the world is going on with her walls. We are in the midst of renovating a few rooms in our home, and our master bedroom is one of them. We are getting ready to repaint and do a wall feature on that back wall there by the window, and we're getting ready to put a walk-in closet, new flooring, new light fixture, all the things in our bedroom. So we are so excited about it. So as you can see, the flooring, we're starting the floors, and we got to just finish them up before the contractor come in and start the closet. But that's why the wall is looking like that. I had a full fireplace over there, and I took the wood off the wall, and it peeled all the paint off. So that's why it's looking the way that it can I speak? That's why it's looking the way that it is. And if you stay tuned to my decorating channel, The Decorating Mama, you will be able to see all of the renovations that we're doing in the house and also the reveal of our master bedroom. So just wanted to let you guys know what was going on with that wall.
You in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out. You're beautiful. Beautiful, baby. You're beautiful. I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie.
I hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and I hope that this video is motivating you guys to get up and do something in your home to make your life a little bit easier in terms of the cleaning and the upkeep. I know as moms, working moms, busy moms, we are doing so much and we have so many things going on. We wear a lot of hats, and just keeping up with the home is is a job by itself, right? So I hope that this video, like I said, is helping you guys to motivate you to get moving and to, to get some parts of your home clean, get some type of chore done, and reset your home for the rest of the week. I would love for you guys to go ahead and follow me over on Instagram if you have not yet done so. My handle is All Things Shushana, and we do a lot of background things over there. There are some things that's just not on YouTube that is on my Instagram, and you will just have so much fun. We do a lot of dancing over there, a lot of creative work, a lot of different videos and snapshots, and oh my gosh, we just have such a blast. So make sure that you guys are following me. I will have my handle down on the screen as well as in the description box where you guys can go ahead and follow me over there. I would love to get to meet you guys.
That I die, I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark.
So guys, I want to be nosy and I want to be all up in your business. And I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section. That's my daughter Nyla. But I want you guys to let me know down in the comment section, what have you guys been doing for summer? What have you been up to? Have you guys been going on vacations, staycations? Have you been doing anything fun so far with your kiddos? So far, we haven't really done anything yet. We've just been working a lot. But in the next week or so, we're going to be headed out to Six Flags, Great Escapes, and up to the lake and the mountains where we live, and doing a lot of fun stuff. For the month of August, we're going to be doing a whole bunch of things, just because my husband is a little bit more free with his job in August. So we're going to be doing so much stuff coming before the summer is out. So I'm so excited. Also, let me know, you guys, if you're ready for some fall content. I am already uploading fall content on my DIY channel, All Things Shushana, and also my decorating channel, the Decorating Mama. But let me know if you guys want to do some fall cleaning. I'll get ready for some fall cleaning and show you guys some really cool products that I have been trying out. I am so excited about them. So let me know if you guys are ready for some fall content, and I will be sure to give you guys some fall content. And if you're not ready, I'll hold off on that too. But let me know down in the comment section.
I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. I'll be your light. Your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light.
So I want to thank you all so much for watching today and for participating or joining in on the cleaning with me. I had such a blast. So I will see you guys next time. Make sure you subscribe, double tap that bell, and don't forget to leave your comments down below. Also, don't forget to check the description box for my other channels as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Wanna shake the